Good morning everyone, we are in Storrington today in West Sussex, bright and breezy and cold, working on this Audi A3. This is a repeat client of ours. We worked on the Mercedes over the back there earlier on in the summer last year, and he's called us back to have a look at this. They've just bought this vehicle. They thought that it had a sticky vanes on the turbo, but it turned out it was actually onset of an EGR issue and a throttle actuator. So we're doing a 3-stage clean on this as a preventative measure. They'll be getting the throttle pedal changed, assuming that that's what it is. For those of you that don't know, our 3-stage carbon clean service is the hydrogen machine here that's pumping hydrogen into the engine at the moment to burn the carbon off. Our stage 2 injector cleaner, which simply just burns off the tip of the injector slower than fuel, therefore burning the crud off the tip of the injector. And our stage 3 chemical, which helps to get rid of the oily gunk off the EGR, turbo, etc. So this service is £149.99. It's a mobile service. We come to you, or you can come to us if required, and you can get us on 01293 769495. We also offer DPF cleaning services, diagnostics and remapping. So comment below with any inquiries or questions, or send us a message. Have a great day.